So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize the custom preset that we made right here inside of Adobe Bridge. So over here on the export section, you can see that custom preset has been made out right here. So I got this custom preset, as you can see, which says JPG low quality compressed. If you don't know how to create a custom preset, then you may want to check out my previous video on creating a new export preset. But what you need to do is go around over here onto the new preset section and then create one. So once that is done, what you can simply do is select out, let's say, for example, a few images right here. So let's just go around and select out a few images just like this. And once I go ahead and do that, I can simply drag them out over here onto this particular section right here. So now you can see that it actually has the 1 job and 7 files. And once you do that, you can actually go around and click on Start Export. So once you do that, you can see that it actually exported it out in the process section right here. And once you go around over here, you can see that these are the processed images right here in low quality JPG export right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and export out files using custom preset inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.